Hello guys, welcome to my ideas, welcome to my channel. How are you friends? Welcome to my all videos and ideas about beautiful wooden projects. I'm also good. I'm also perfect. Alhamdulillah, thanks of my Allah. So let's back to video today. You can see in this video my focus is very prettiest ideas about beautiful wooden projects for your home decoration and home interior ideas. So don't skip my video and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. It's all are fantastic and it's all are fabulous, fantastic and stylish ideas about beautiful wooden projects, wooden decorated ideas like a wooden dining table, wooden chairs, wooden coffee tables, center tables, and also wooden hanging, wooden garden areas, wooden yard areas, and also beautiful wooden decoration pieces for your home interior ideas. It's all our impressive and inspiring ideas about beautiful wooden projects, wooden decoration ideas, wooden things. Don't skip my video. If you're watching first time my video, I must suggest and I request follow my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. My dear friends, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notification all of my videos, tips and ideas. So beautiful and so elegant styles about beautiful wooden projects. Wow, it's a wonderful ideas, wonderful designs about wooden projects. It's all are amazing and stylish ideas, beautiful wooden projects, wooden decorated ideas for your home interior or home designs. It's a wonderful ideas, wonderful designs and ideas about beautiful wooden projects. If you want to watch many more ideas, watching to more and more ideas, you can see in this video, you can see through in this channel. Don't skip my video and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. So beautiful and so elegant styles about beautiful wooden projects. Wow, it's a fantastic and fabulous ideas, cutest ideas and stylish ideas, top trending fashion, top stylish fashion about beautiful wooden projects. Okay, thanks for watching. See you again till the next video. Goodbye. Have a nice day and superb day and beautiful day. Allah Hafiz.